I know I'm not going to die now. At least I wish to live a little longer so I can enjoy the fruits of my labor.
Of course, Papa, Amen. You will live long and long and long and long for
Amen.
Desmond, you are my first son. Take this broom. Break it.
But it's hard to break.
Felix. Okay. Break it.
Yeah, man, but no, except you use cutlass or gun. That's the only way it can break.
Break? Juliet.
Papa, my brothers cannot break it. Why do you think I...
Try.
Papa, I cannot break it.
Now.
But you didn't give to Mama to break it.
Mama is me, and me is Mama. See this? Single blue. Rock. Desmond. Very easy.
Would you?
So, my children, this bunch of broom is a symbol of unity. If you are united, enemies cannot penetrate. This one is a symbol of division. Once you are separated, enemy just come and break you. And that's all. So, united,
stand.
divided,
we fall.